Good cold morning to you, at least here when I'm filming this. It is about in the 30s out there, and it was spitting snow. Yep, spitting snow. So my name is LouAnn, and welcome to my kitchen. That coffee is brewing, and you know there is some sweet iced tea in around here somewhere to drink. Anyway, this is Sweethearts and Casseroles. Today I'm going to show you a little prep that I'm doing first, and then we'll move into the casserole that we're doing that day. So let's turn the camera around. Let me show you. So the two recipes that we're making this week involve chicken, and I gotta have it cooked. So I decided to get out my Power Quick pot here, and we are going to cook this chicken, and I do have chicken broth in there for extra flavor. So now we're going to put the lid on. I need to pressure, and I want poultry. Push the button, push it one more time, and there you go. Now I'm going to cook. Yes, the chicken was frozen. It should be all right, so we'll just have to wait and see. So let it come up the pressure, and then in 30 minutes or a little over that, because we're going to let it depressurize on its own. So there you go. So this next casserole is easy peasy. It's chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle casserole. In a large bowl, I got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. To that, I'm going to add a half a cup. Hold on a second. Half a cup of mayo. And then, let me finish getting that in the bowl. Next, we're going to add a can, it's homemade, but cream of chicken. And we're going to get that all mixed. Of course, it's hot, because I just made it using the cream of anything soup mix. Get that all mixed up, and I will be scraping the pan as well. So to this bowl, we're going to add 1 small onion and half a cup of chopped peppers to this. So also to this, we're going to add about a cup of shredded cheese. I'm sorry. I'm going to estimate. I didn't measure. So we're going to mix that in. And then I got to drain my egg noodles real quick. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese, because you can never have enough cheese, right? Next thing we're going to add is our egg noodles. And of course the pan is hot. So let's see if we can do it this way. Oh, it is hot. So I'm going to go ahead and add the egg noodles, toss it around, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I forgot the most important recipe, most important ingredient. 2 cups of chopped chicken, so we're going to add that to there, mix it up, and then I'm going to put it in a grease baking dish, about a 2-quart, but I'm using my little 8 by 13 inch baking dish that I've already greased, or I got the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Now we bake it in a 350 degree oven, that is Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes. And there's one more thing we're going to do. We're going to add some cheese on top of that at the end. So, and then bake it maybe 5 or 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. So, yum, yum. Chicken noodle casserole.